If you're new to trading, you've probably opened a chart before and instantly felt overwhelmed. Candles everywhere, random lines, indicators flashing different signals. It can feel impossible to know what actually works and what's just noise. The truth is, indicators are meant to simplify trading, not make it more confusing. So in this video, I'm going to break down the top 5 trading indicators every beginner should know, and more importantly, how traders actually use them in real market conditions. Let's start with the moving average. This is probably the first indicator every trader comes across, and for good reason. It's simple and effective. A moving average helps you identify the overall direction of the market by smoothing out price movement. If price is above the moving average, the trend is generally bullish. If it's below, the trend is bearish. A lot of beginners make the mistake of trading against the trend. And that's exactly where moving averages can help. Even something as basic as the 50 EMA and 200 EMA can instantly give you a better understanding of market direction. Next is the RSI, also known as the Relative Strength Index. This indicator measures momentum and helps traders identify overbought and oversold conditions. When RSI moves above 70, traders often consider the market overbought. When it drops below 30, the market may be oversold. But here's something beginners should know: RSI should never be used alone. A market can stay overbought for a long time during strong trends. The real power comes when you combine RSI with trend analysis and price action. Number 3 is MACD, which stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence. Yeah, the name sounds complicated, but it's actually pretty beginner-friendly once you understand it. MACD helps traders spot momentum shifts and possible trend reversals. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it can indicate bullish momentum. When it crosses below, momentum may be turning bearish. Many traders use MACD to confirm entries instead of relying purely on guesswork. Now, let's talk about Bollinger Bands. This indicator is great for understanding market volatility. The bands expand when the market becomes more volatile and tighten when the market slows down. Beginners often love Bollinger Bands because they visually show when price is moving too aggressively away from the average. Traders use them to identify possible reversals, breakouts, and ranging market conditions. But again, context matters. No indicator works perfectly by itself. And finally, number 5 is trend-based signal indicators. This is where a lot of modern traders are starting to focus because instead of manually combining 5 different indicators together, these systems simplify the process into clear buy and sell signals. One example is the Apex Trend Indicator from FX Limit. What makes tools like this interesting for beginners is that they combine trend analysis, momentum, and trade confirmations into one dashboard. Instead of staring at charts for hours trying to figure everything out manually, it gives a much clearer picture of what's happening in the market. Especially for newer traders, having visual trend scanners, entry signals, and alerts can make the learning process way less stressful. At the end of the day, indicators are just tools. They're not magic buttons that print money overnight. The best traders aren't the ones using the most indicators. They're the ones who understand how to use a few tools properly and stay consistent with their strategy. If you're just starting out, don't overload your charts trying to copy every strategy you see online. Focus on learning how the market moves, understand trend direction, manage your risk, and use indicators as confirmation instead of prediction. And honestly, sometimes keeping things simple is what makes the biggest difference in trading.